Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yeah, the third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, April the 29th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles we made, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. Binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 8450. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Wow, this one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle, that means in a row. Or in a column. There are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Right, so let's get started. Between the O's comes in 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Then let me see. We have a double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. And 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Finished in 2 minutes. Well, that's a quick one to solve, this one. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle in this additional. Until then, bye bye for now.